Hey there! Scholarship season is a mess of deadlines, essays, and award letters that are deliberately hard to read. This tracker puts all of it in one place and translates the confusing parts. Let me walk you through it. The dashboard shows your financial aid picture, how many scholarships you've applied for, and how much you've actually been awarded. The Scholarships tab is the main list: name, provider, amount, deadline, requirements, whether an essay is needed, when you applied, the status, and what you were awarded. Aid comparison puts up to 5 colleges side by side on cost of attendance, so you're comparing what you'd actually pay rather than sticker prices. FAFSA and CSS tracks the paperwork, submission dates, and confirmation numbers, so you're never wondering whether it went through. The Essays tab is the one that saves the most time. Every prompt with its word limit and deadline, your draft status, and a reusable for column, because one strong essay usually fits several applications with light edits. The deadline calendar pulls every date into one list with an urgency flag. Loans compares your options properly. Federal subsidized, unsubsidized, Parent Plus, and private, side by side. The award decoder is my favorite tab. It splits an award letter into what it really is: free money you keep versus loans you pay back. Letters are written to blur that line, and this untangles it. Renewals tracks the conditions on money you've already won, GPA required against your current GPA, credits required, and the renewal deadline. Scholarships get lost this way every year. And the thank you tracker logs which donors you've written to. It's courtesy and it matters for renewals. That's the Scholarship and College Financial Aid Tracker. Excel and Google Sheets, and the link is below.